Hi, thank you so much for my subscriber, for my other parcel. And yes, my colleague wanted to see this one. So I hope I don't have Mr. D here, okay? Because it will get me demonetized. I think. Hey, I love it. Oh God, I know. I really need to go to the beach. So I don't need beach. I'm one of them. Yes, Dad. Oh, right. I told you. No. It's for my child. I think so. But let me try. I don't know. I think this is for my child. And it's okay. It's okay.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Oh, I finally got this. Oh, pangkaligo. Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, Mary is the number one, babe. Day, feel na ko, murag mauna dyan ni Day. If this is a little bit spicy, then I will not open this to you, or else goodbye, YouTube. Oh, no. No, it's okay. It's dishes for my child. So it means like my subscriber is kind of good. So thank you, dear subscriber. Yeah, she really likes unicorn. Oh, that's all. Thank you. Yeah, but I love it. Oh, I'll have to wear this for you. Alauna po yun. Ni kanta, ni sayaw siya yun. Look, okay, I love it. Oh, nice. And yeah, at the back it says Mary. Oh, thank you so much, subscribers. So yeah, I will have to send you my physical address if you wanted also to send me some stuff here in the Philippines, okay? My name is Mary once again. Please do like, share, and subscribe in my channel. Goodbye for now.